Hello, in this tutorial I'm going to show you step by step an easy way to buy ZRX. So to buy ZRX we are going to use Bitrue. Bitrue is really beginner friendly and easy to use crypto exchange. That's why I recommend it for beginners or anybody. I've been using a lot of different crypto exchanges, and Bitrue is just I like so how simple it is, you know what I'm saying? It's easy to use and I have never had any problems with them. But okay, to buy ZRX we first have to buy either BTC, XRP or Ethereum, because you can't straight up buy ZRX. You have to first buy either Bitcoin, XRP or Ethereum. In this case I'm going to show you how to buy Bitcoin, and after that how to trade Bitcoin for ZRX. So to buy Bitcoin, register to Bitrue or use the Bitrue app and then go home. After that click credit card. Here you can buy Bitcoin. You can either you can choose what currency you want to use when you buy in Bitcoin. Then you can select the quantity of Bitcoin, like how many Bitcoins you want to buy. Let's say that I'm going to buy like this one. So notice that it takes around 10 to 30 minutes for Bitcoin to reach your wallet, and there are some fees. So they are low fees, 3.5% per transaction, or 10 USD, whichever is higher. And you know, when you buy, click buy BTC below. After 10 minutes or so, you can go to your assets and boom, you can see the BTC that you just bought. Okay, now with this BTC we are going to trade it for ZRX. So click the magnifying glass, then type ZRX and the pairing with BTC, so ZRX/BTC. Click there. Now click buy, and then you will be taken to this page. Here you can trade your Bitcoins to ZRX, and if you change the metric here, like if you choose 50, this means that you are going to buy 50. You're going to trade 50% of your BTC to ZRX. If you go with 100, that means that you're going to sell all of your Bitcoins and trade them for ZRX. So if you want to buy ZRX with all of the Bitcoin that you just bought, then click 100 and then click buy ZRX. Then the trade will execute about in a few seconds, and after that you can, when you go to assets, you can see your ZRX here. I hope that you found this tutorial helpful, and by the way, I highly recommend you to get an offline wallet because they are the most secure way to, you know, store digital assets that I know, and they are not actually, they don't cost literally anything almost. They are really cheap and you can order them straight from the, you know, manufacturer. Go to description and click Ledger wallet, and also you can go there and download the Bitrue app. So yeah, thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.